Hey, what's up to all my real ones out there? It's Lulu here, and I'm back after a long time. I know I've been gone for about 6 months, but you know, I'm back and I'm better than ever. So, hey guys. Hey. So today, this video is gonna be about how you make money while in college. So all my college students out there, school is approaching in about the month, and you know all your money is going towards tuition, going towards buying that new laptop, buying those new electronics, as well as books and other fees, moving expenses that you may have. So you may be running a little low on cash, and you want to know, where can I get paid? How can I make that money back that I just spent out to my university? So I'm going to be telling you about 10 ways how you can make money while in college. Professors. Utilize your professors because they're there for you. Half of them have tenure anyway. So use your professors in a way to create income for yourself. Depending on your major, some professors may have research grants that they're looking for students to come on and help them with their research projects. So a lot of them will give out maybe a couple $1,000s to write their abstract, or to be a developer if it's a coding project, or to just work in the lab for them. As well as there's other research opportunities at other schools that you can do even though you may not go there. So like kind of like research scholars program, REUs, and things as of that sort. In my experience, I got maybe over $10,000 worth of money from my professors by having that great connection, that great relationship with them, and letting them know my financial hardships. And they said, oh, I have this project for you, I have a grant from such and such, and you can do this, that, and the third, bring it back to me, and you got the money, you're working on my project. So that's one way how I help pay for some of my tuition in school. Ambassadors. Being an ambassador for a company is another way to make great money as well. It's only about a couple hours a week, so you're not really taking much time out of your day outside of school to be an ambassador for this company. Some companies will want you to recruit other students with whatever they want to, whatever product they want to share. Basically want you to help them get their product out to as much students, because the colleges are the money makers and we're young and we buy everything. So they're using you to appeal to the college crowd. Internships. Internships is a big way that you can make money, especially summer internships, because you're not going to school full-time and you can work full-time. There's also internships in the fall, in spring. A lot of major corporate companies and startup companies have internships opportunities. Internship season is right around the corner, so start early. I've had about 4 internships during my undergrad year. If you want me to make a video on how I got big corporate internships, let me know in the comment section below and I'll get that right to you guys. Freelancing. So if you have a special talent, if you're very good at something, you take good photos, you're good at photography, you know how to DJ, you make good graphic design, great flyers, utilize your skills. Utilize your skills to make money. Me, myself, I am a freelance web designer, and I made about like 5 websites for people and I got paid for them. So make sure you're utilizing your talent. It's something that you're happy with, it's something that you don't mind doing and putting your all into, and that will make you money as well. Especially if you're good at it, people will get to know you for your talent and spread your business through word of mouth. Oh, such and such is known for that, you should go book them. Doing hair. Everyone knows this is a big deal because you're away from home, so you're away from your regular hairstylist or barber, because I know guys are serious about getting their hair cut, and you need to know where to get your hair done. So most of the times, if you know how to cut hair very well and you know how to do hair very well, definitely you should advertise your services. I know I've got my hair flat ironed, braided, I got my hair done quite a few times. That can be your side hustle and you can make money that way. Baking. If you have a knack for baking or cooking of any sort, you should definitely cook or bake and sell the food in your dorm. I know I lived in a dorm that was far away from the cafeteria, and everyone in that dorm we were lazy and didn't want to go to the cafeteria at a certain time, especially if the weather is bad, or you just have a lot of homework and you don't want to take your time to go eat. We would see people in the group me saying, oh, I have tacos, tacos, if you want, come to my room, or I can meet you at your room, and things like that. And I know at times when I was hungry, I bought from those who had food. Store runs. So this go hand in hand with the food business. So it's a little bit like Uber Eats, but it's the college version of Uber Eats. If you have a car or a bike or something you could get around with, do store runs for people. Depending on people's campus, if they don't have a car and the nearest Walmart or whatever grocery store is kind of far off campus, and they kind of live off campus and they cook in their dorm rooms and in their suite, definitely advertise that you do store runs. Basically what you do is you advertise for certain things that you have, like, oh, I'm going such and such, if you want to tag along, come with me, pay a little bit of money for some gas, or you buy a pack of noodles, you sell the half the pack, things like that. Store runs, do store runs for people. If you know it's a hot commodity of food items that college students eat or drink, buy a whole bunch of juice boxes, Capri Suns, a whole bunch of water, cases of water. Definitely, water is important. A lot of college students need water. So if you buy a case of water, you go to the store, bring it back, you make store run. Port pickups and drop-offs. So this one is a huge money maker for holiday season and when people are moving out of their dorms. So depending on the population of your college campus, if a lot of people live further out in different states, this would definitely be necessary. I know like during Thanksgiving, people need to go to the airport to fly back out, and Christmas time when we take a month off, and when the summer starts, people go home for the summer, and they have a lot of stuff, and they kind of need someone to bring to the airport if they don't have their car on campus. And this is a huge money maker, and I've definitely seen people make quite a lot of money on this. Selling books. So after you're done with the course or in the semester ended, and if it's not in your major, if the book isn't important, I advise you to sell it. If you're never going to use the book again, why throw it in the trash? And sometimes selling it back to the bookstore, you won't get as much money as you paid for it. So definitely sell it to underclassmen. Maybe if you have a lot of your books from freshman year, sell it to underclassmen who are coming on campus. Or if you're just done with a course and somebody else is taking that one, sell it for maybe like $20 or $30 less, depending on how much you paid for the book though. Doing people's homework. I know this is not advice, oh, you shouldn't be doing people's homework, but I'm gonna just keep it real and be honest. You can make a lot of money. You could make quite a few bucks doing people's homework. I know some homework that people do for other people are things like math, Alex, when you do homework online, chemistry, homework, papers, essays, things like that. Those are huge money makers. So there you have it, guys. There are 10 ways on how you can make money in college the easy way. It doesn't take too much time out of your day. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you later. Bye.